Okay, so it's really important that you pay attention to the title of the table. So here it is, the tests of within subject effects. All right, so when we are trying to find if there is a significant difference between the time it took to throw up based on what they ate, we've got animal, we've got sphericity assumed. Now, sphericity was not assumed, okay? So I'm going to scroll back up here, and it's not assumed because this is less than 0.05. Okay, so we said let's go with the greenhouse geyser. So I'm going to go back down, so we're going to go greenhouse geyser, and you get a p-value of 0.063. This is not significant. Huenfeld was the other option that you could go with, and this one is significant. Okay, so what the heck do you do? When you read Andy's book, one of the things that he recommends is greenhouse gas is very, very conservative. As you can see, it's conservative enough that it makes it not significant compared to when sphericity was assumed. Or if you choose Huenfeld, it's probably too lax. So there's fine significance. And so what do you do? So for right now, I want you guys to just know that you have to interpret the greenhouse geyser if your sphericity value is less than 0.05. Okay. He goes into a little bit of detail on page 495, and he talks a little bit about using the transformation matrix. And we'll talk a little bit about that, but I want to, for right now, I want you to be thinking about using the greenhouse geyser when your sphericity is not assumed.